Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Bradd, and today I want to show you how to make a really cute teepee or wigwam Christmas card. Now you can make it like this, which is simply a solid teepee shape, or you can cut apertures out of it, and I don't know actually if you can see this under these lights, but you can pop a little battery-powered tea light into your teepee and light up a scene inside it. It's very simple to make. You don't really need very much in the way of a template. And I've made these today in a series of papers from the Paper Boutique, and it's their Christmas Adventure range. So we've got some nice plain colours here. We've got a selection of patterned papers, and we've also got a selection of cut-out tags, bows, mini envelopes. There's quite nice ideas actually in here. They're all coordinating, and I've got a feeling there's about 3 of each sheet in each paper pack that you get. And the paper stock is actually thick enough that you can make your card blank from this without having to put a base card underneath it. And it's also double-sided, so you've got a pale green, a not so pale green, a mid green and a dark green. So I'm going to make this blank with the dark, the mid and the not so pale. Score each of these 10cm squares of paper, or 4-inch squares of paper. You want to score them diagonally. And as you would normally score, you score on the side that you're going to fold away from. So 1, 2 and 3. And then just fold them point to point to make sure that your score line is accurate and give them a good crease. And then what we do is we glue them together. Now I'm going to glue these in colour order, so I've got light, mid, dark. Grab yourself a Pritt stick or a dry glue stick and glue the left hand side of your lightest piece. But don't glue it all, because you're going to lay your mid-green folded square on it to line the edge up with the score line. So you're making a Star Trek symbol shape here. Again, just glue this portion on the left and fix your third square. Because then what will happen is when you fold it in, you create this 3-dimensional teepee shape. Now these are going to be the pieces that are on show. So what I've done is I've cut some 9.5cm squares of a red patterned paper and then cut them in half diagonally. And we'll just pop these onto the triangular panels to leave an even border all the way around. And your card will fold flat and it will still fit in a normal C6 envelope, because you've got the width. This is 10cm wide still. This is 10cm with only another 4cm on there. To make sure that it stays folded into a teepee when it's put on display, what you need to do is grab yourself, and I've found the best thing for this is sticky backed Velcro. Take your backing off. Your covered panel is going to be on the outside, so just pop a small piece of Velcro on there, remove the backing, and then bring it together. And in order for you to get some pressure on that to make it stick, if you put a ruler inside your card and press down, you can then get it to stick and it will stay up. And then you can decorate it with all manner of little cut-out tags, sort of Noel, Snow Much Fun. If you want to make it so that you can see your tea light inside, what you want to do is you want to cut 2 apertures. So we'll just open it up And you don't even really need a template. If you remember which is your inside, where you're going to put your little scene, and you grab yourself a ruler and a pencil, I'm just going to use the guidelines on my ruler to mark where I'm going to cut my aperture. So you can leave as large or as small a border as you desire. But essentially you want to cut like a, it's almost like a flattened kite shape. What I'll do is I will draw you a template and I'll pop it as a PDF link in the description below so that you can see what I'm talking about. But you can see here you've got an even border around here and also along, well, you'll see when I cut it, where the end of the card goes. Just chop it out. So there's one. Hang on to that cutout. I'll show you why in a minute. And then just fold the inside back, as it were, inside, over. And this aperture that you've cut out from here, just pop it back in the hole so that when you lift the top of the card off, it's recreating that aperture design on the inside of the card, but it's forming the background so you don't see all the way through it. And that means you've got a definite back to the card. If you were to cut the other aperture out, people wouldn't know which way to display it. So we'll take him out. We'll just grab something simple like a little penguin design. He's quite cute. Roughly cut him out with a pair of scissors, just to leave a small border around the outside of him. And place him inside your card. Perhaps just down here. So then when you fold him up, he can be seen inside the card, and when you pop your little tea light in there, it lights him up. And then you can decorate the card as you desire, with things coming off at different angles. The only thing you need to be aware of is, as I say, when you fold your card flat, you really want it to fit inside an A5 envelope. So don't allow these pieces to extend that fold too much, otherwise you're going to have to put it in a bigger envelope. But there you go, very cute, I think, little card, and it's just something a bit different to display on your mantelpiece instead of a traditional fold card. These Christmas adventure papers, as I say, are available from Paper Boutique, and there's lots of lovely ideas, or you'll find lots of lovely ideas just by looking at the motifs on the papers. So I'll put a link in the description below where you can get hold of them as well, and also the template, the folding and cutting template to make the apertures. Hope you like that. Hope you'll come and see us again soon, because we've got lots more ideas for Christmas. Or if you check subscribe, we can notify you every time we put a new video up. And please have a look through our back catalogue, because we've got loads of Christmas ideas, all very simple to make. All of them, a lot of them, can be made from things that you have around your home already, so you don't even need to go out and spend a fortune this Christmas. In the meantime, please take care. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you very soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.